do you really want? You cannot even occupy a barangay to sit you for 24 hours. Then you're able to shoot somebody, kill civilians, kill soldiers, for nothing. For nothing. Not even an ideology. There is actually none at all. You are fighting for a bankrupt mind. Isang tao lang ang nag-iisip. There's only one person using his goddamn gray matter between his ears. Para kayong robot kung anong inuutos. Mabuti pa itong mga pulis pati sundalo pag agrabyado nagsasabi pa, Mr. President, hindi pwede yan. Eh, kayo pa nga robot. It's all what? 50 years?